boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And you know what? I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
I have Miss Sofiya.
Hi.
And I have Miss Christiana.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
Oh, boys and girls, do you like to cook? Do you guys like to cook?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it in the kitchen. And today we're going to be making, oh, this might sound a little funny, pineapple upside-down cupcakes. How are we going to make our cupcakes upside down? What do you think?
Yeah.
We're going to learn, aren't we? Would you like to see them first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know, Miss Cinda. We bake them the right way and then we turn them the other way.
That's right. Look, aren't they pretty?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Well, that's what we're going to make today. Doesn't that look good, boys and girls? Oh, all right. Let's get started. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You two will work on this one. And what we're going to do, and you two will work on this one. Okay, we're going to put in our wet ingredients first, okay?
I see this is wet and that's wet.
That's right. We're going to put our sugar and our wet ingredients. So, girls, I'm going to let you measure. Now, let me read the recipe because why do we follow a recipe, boys and girls?
Or else it won't turn out good.
That's right. So you boys and girls, make sure you follow your recipe, okay? So let me look. We need a half a cup of sugar. So can you girls measure a half a cup? And Sofiya, I'll help you find your half a cup.
Right here, Sofiya.
No, half a cup. That's a spoon. There you go. That's a half. Let me see, Sofiya. Okay. And Sebi, can you help Sofiya while I'm Ben? Could you go and get the soy milk? Actually, it's almond milk in the refrigerator for me, please. And you boys can put in 1/2 cup of the almond milk.
Miss Cinda, it's full.
Yeah, I know. I just filled it.
Miss Cinda.
Okay, Sofiya.
How many?
You want one of those, okay? Okay, Sofiya. Thank you, Sebi. I'll finish helping her if you want to get your 1/2 cup of almond milk. Okay, Sofiya, hold this. And then you can put sugar in like this. And then Miss Cinda will show you how you level it off, okay? So put it all in. And boys and girls, when you're measuring, make sure you get your measuring cups full. And then we'll level it off with our knife or spoon. And that way we'll get exact measurements. Because we need to have it measured just right, don't we? Okay, you can put that in your bowl. And boys, while the girls are doing this, you can also add your oil. Now, I've already pre-measured the oil.
This is oil, right?
Yes, so you can just go ahead and add your oil.
Miss Cinda, look.
And
it all
Sebi, you can put that
separates.
back in the fridge if you'd like. Please. Thank you.
It all separates.
Yeah, it does. Okay, Sofiya, let's put some more in. That's okay, Sofiya. You know what? We don't mind messes in Miss Cinda's kitchen. You know why? Because why, boys and girls? We always have fun cleaning up. It's okay. Okay, so Sofiya, here's how you do it. Hold your cup with that hand. Now with this hand, we don't have a knife up here, so you know what you can do? Hold your cup. Take your spoon with this handle. Take it like this. And can you see, boys and girls? You're going to go like this. Now see, we have a nice level 1/2 cup. Okay, pour it in the bowl. Pour it right in. Good job.
Yeah, the sugar all mixes up the inside of it.
Good job. Okay, you guys, we have the sugar in. Now let's put our other liquid in, which will be our flavorings. Oh, you know what? We're going to put our frozen pineapple juice concentrate. So girls, you can pour this in. Put that in. And boys, you can put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ben, you put in 1 teaspoon. And then of the almond extract, put in a 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then switch bottles, okay? You can pour that all in, Sofiya. Good job. Good job.
There you go. Just hold on to that.
Here, Sebi, could you throw that away from me, please.
Stop it.
And then, Sebi, find your, good job. Let's let Sebi put in a half a teaspoon of almond in. Oh, boys, pour it over here. Yeah, boys and girls, pour it over here or another container, okay? All right. Let me get the lid. There you go, a half teaspoon of that, Ben. Here's your lid. And you know you want a whole teaspoon of that, Sebi. Ooh, it smells good.
Miss Cinda, at first it looks like that this is going to be dark, but now it's light.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, the container.
Because the container's dark. It tricked you, didn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now, boys, you can help hold the mixer. Help Sofiya. And you can turn it on and mix yours up. Here, Ben, I'm going to put this over here. Christiana, let me put this in front of you, okay? So Ben can help you. Okay, there you go, Ben. Now mix it up and let Christiana help you. Okay, mix it up. Turn it on.
Miss Cinda, are we going to push this up?
Yes, push it up. Okay, you want to mix it up real good. You can help him if you want. Yeah, you can put your, you don't want to. You see how it's mixing it all up? Get it in there, Sebi. Put it all the way to the bottom. And you're wanting to mix this up to get all that blended really nice, okay? And I'll look and see what. Put it all the way to the bottom, Ben. Good job. Okay, turn it off. And boys, you want to measure 2 cups. Thank you. We'll just leave it right here because we're going to use it again.
2 cups of this.
Okay, boys, you put in 2 cups of this. Girls, you can pour this in.
All of it?
All of it. This is your
cups,
salt and your
right?
baking powder.
In here?
Baking soda. Yes, you can pour it in. So actually, you want 2 cups. So yes, you're going to need 4 of those.
Miss Cinda, I can level it off with this.
Good job. And you know what? You can let Christiana pour one in. You can give her a cup too.
Okay.
And then you can trade out and do this cup. Good job. You can do that too, Sebi. You can let Sofiya pour one in. There you go, Christiana. Here, I'll take this. Sebi, why don't you do one for Sofiya so she can pour one in. Good job at leveling off, guys. That's awesome. Boys and girls, can you see how to do that? Good job. Now, is that 2?
Yeah.
That's your 2? Okay, now you need 2 more. So you can do 1 more and let her do 1 more. Did you have 4 in there?
Yeah.
Ben? Okay, so now you're going to do the mixer again.
Oh.
So let's do this. Very good. See, Christiana? You go like this with your spatula, and that way you get all that batter down there, okay?
Wait,
and
Sofiya,
let's get this on again. Okay, you're going to mix that up.
Just push that 2 times.
Okay, how many is that, Sebi?
4.
That's 4? Okay. So put that in. There's Sofiya. Turn it on now.
Sofiya, wait.
She can turn it on, Sebi. Let her do it this time.
Where?
And I'll move this for you. Oh, doesn't this look like fun, boys and girls?
Get it mixed up good. All the way down at the bottom.
You want to make sure you get to the bottom, guys, so you can get it all mixed up. Get to the bottom, Sofiya. It is loud, isn't it? I'm talking loud. Get it to the bottom. And I'm going to spray this for you guys.
Sofiya, let me try it. Cinda.
What?
It's going fast.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Is yours all mixed up?
Yep.
Okay, you know what you can do, Ben? You can release this and you can, oh, you know what? No, you guys got a little bit more. See the sides? There you go. Get the sides, Sebi. Okay, Ben, you want to just take this to the kitchen. Well, you know what? I'll just put this over here. Okay.
Cinda, there's 2 holes for it.
I know, that's for 2 beaters, isn't that? That's what you had. Okay, now, what you guys are gonna do, I'll start you working on this. Let me move this a little bit. Can you put the lid on that, please, Ben?
Sure.
Okay, since it's pineapple upside
Miss
down.
Cinda, here.
That's good, Ben. Awesome.
Are we gonna put it in
Thank you,
upside
Sebi.
down, kind of?
Ooh, is this fun, Sophia? Huh?
Are we gonna kind of put this in upside down?
Yes, so now let me spray the bottoms of your pan, and then you're gonna put, a couple teaspoons of the margarine in the bottom, and then put a pineapple slice in the bottom, okay? So you guys are gonna do the same. You're gonna put a couple teaspoons.
Is this the margin?
Yes, that's the margarine. So you each put a couple teaspoons. You each can do 3. So you can do one side and Sophia can do one side. Yes, perfect. Here you go. Here you go, Sophia. Put in some margarine in the bottom.
Okay.
Put in that one next.
Which one?
Put this.
Just put 2 in there.
Yep, put it in the bottom right in these. You got to do a couple. Yep, you can do some more. You can do another one in here and another one in there. So we're going to put some margarine in the bottom, and then I'll put a pineapple slice in the bottom, and you put a pecan in the middle of the pineapple slice. Oh, we're almost out of time. We have to hurry, boys and girls. Oh, isn't this fun? Who's having fun?
Me.
Oh, it's fun to cook, isn't it?
It seems kind of impossible
What?
making
Upside
this.
down.
Making this? You're almost done. Isn't it fun to make it?
Yeah.
Here, Sophia, let's get a little bit more margarine in yours. And then put a pecan in the very middle. Can you put a pecan in the middle, Sophia? In the middle. And then you're going to take your measuring cup and pour some of the batter in right in on top. Now take the batter. It doesn't matter which measuring cup. It doesn't matter. You're just going to fill it up, okay? Here, Sophia.
Well,
Let's get
Cinda.
Sophia a cup. Here. Yep.
There.
Can you reach this, Sophia? Good job. Good job. Can you reach it and fill one of yours over here, Christiana?
How many, Miss Cinda? How
You
many
can fill these. You fill these 3 and let Christiana fill these 3.
all the way to the top?
Yeah, you can go just a little bit more, because they don't raise a whole lot, but they raise some. So that's probably, yeah, don't go any more than that, boys and girls. You don't want to get it too full, because it's going to raise and when you make them when we bake them in the oven, okay? And I've got the oven nice and hot. And guess what? You all are going to get to eat the ones I made. What do you think of that?
Cool.
Does that sound good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you boys and girls will try this recipe because it's really yummy. Oh, you're going to love it. And boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.